What up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS Geek. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Put your best email in this form below at rwcweb.com. Okay, I got my little free Webstarts, the ultimate drag and drop. Okay, Webstarts, the ultimate drag and drop. If you're an affiliate, you can do everything that you need to do as an affiliate marketer with Webstarts.com. The link is in the description. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm just finishing this up, and if you've seen some of my other videos on how to use private label rights to add content to your blog or to your website, whatever it may be. Okay, now what I'm doing here, okay, let's go on the inside here. Okay, added some text, go here, add some text. Okay, did a little bit of text here. Okay, now what I want to do, okay, it's good to have local links for your SEO within your websites, and then especially usually on these old types of blogs that they have, you want to put the information on this menu on the side here. Okay, that's how a lot of blogs do it. Okay, so basically what I did was get that out of the way. We're going to do anchors. And if you don't know what an anchor is basically a set location on the website. Could be anywhere that you can send a link to. Any page, any website. Okay. So now I'm going to go here. I'm going to select all. And then I'm just going to put these guys in there like that. Okay. Let me stretch it out a little bit. Alright. Now, what is a landing page? So let's go to the site. Landing page. What is a landing page? If you look up here, it's on my landing page.html. Okay. So we're going to go here. Let's save this. Now, the anchors. Okay, so let's go to landing page. Okay, see here, what is a landing page? The actual live site, what is a landing page? On landing page.html. Okay, we're going to put an anchor right here. Okay, alright, we're going to add the anchor. Okay, see the anchor is right here. And this is where we want to take them. Okay, so we're going to change the name. Now, what I did was, to make it simpler, because I'm going to have a lot of them, and there'll be more than 8. There'll probably be like 15 or 20 in the end. Okay, I'm just going to number them. You can put this long descriptive word there, or use some type of shorthand to do it, but for two reasons. For the sake of this video, and we're just going to call this number 1. Okay, and you could be a little bit more descriptive than 1. You could write the word 1 in if you want. It's your site. You do it any way you want, but just to keep it organized. Okay, so we're going to save that. Okay, and we're going to go back to our home page where we want to put the link. Okay, and again, this could even be on another website. Okay, so we're going to come here and we're going to go, what is a landing page? We're going to go to link. We're going to link it to an anchor. We're going to select the page, and as you can see, because it's the only one there right now, had there been more there would be several more anchors on the page. Okay, create the link. Okay, I like to do a little underline, make it look like an old-fashioned link. You don't have to. Okay, we're going to save the page. Let's go over here and just refresh it, and then boom, it'll take us to that page. Now you see it was a little off, so we got to adjust it. Okay, so we go back to the landing page. As you can see, that took me in a little low, so let's go up here. That seemed pretty far down. Let's try it here. Save it again. Okay, oops, wrong site. Let me put you over here, get you out of the way. Alright, let's go back to the home page. Let's refresh. See where that anchor takes us. Okay, so what is a landing page? So that's not bad. Okay, see how that worked? Now if I go here, and I go to copy link address, okay, just to show you what's going on. Okay, that's where it's going to take us. Okay, now in the system, obviously it gave it a number, but it put it in English, you know, when in the Webstarts ultimate drag and drop. Okay, so you can adjust that any way you want. Being that it's up top there, we can actually put it up a little higher. Wouldn't hurt. Okay, oops. Landing page. Put it up a little higher. Okay, and basically what it is also is to, okay, we're going back to the home page, aka index page. Boom, right there. Oh, I didn't refresh. Let's see what's going on. Okay, back to the home page. Let's refresh. That's the wrong home page. I'm getting click happy. Okay, refresh. Let's go here. Let's refresh this guy. Maybe that's my problemo. Okay, so brought it up a little bit higher. And again, you know, being that it's up there like that, because it's on the top of the page, we can do it like that. But you want to have all kinds of links within your website, your blog, whatever you want, okay, and so forth. Now, because this is here at the top, you could literally take it to the page if you wanted to. Okay, so let me show you another example. Okay, let's do this. We're going to pin that thing out of my way. Let's go here. Let's see where else we got a link. Let's see where we're going. Why are landing pages important? So let's go find that. Why are landing pages important? Okay, so we're going to go back to the landing page. Okay, right here, why are landing pages important? We're going to add an anchor. We're going to take it right to here. Okay, see how that goes. Alright, and that is number 2. So we're just going to name it number 2. Okay, we're going to save it. And again, you could format that any way you'd like to do it. I just like to simplify things. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. We're going to select our text here. I don't want the number 2 involved. Just want the words involved in the link. Okay. We're going to link it. We're going to go to an anchor. We're going to select the page, landing page, anchor number 2. Create the link. Okay. Again, I like to leave it underlined. It's just like a one of those things with the blue colors and everything. Since the beginning, the people got trained to follow links. Okay, I'm going to start out with a new window here and let it take me through its testing mode. Okay, so that was a little low. Let's go back to the anchor. And once you've created the link, you can pretty much move the anchor at will. Okay, so let's move it up a smidge. Let's save it. Let's go to our home page. Refresh. Okay, why our landing page is important. Okay, so as long as it takes them in their visual sight of you know, what they're looking for, you're good to go. Okay, backlinking from other websites, SEO and stuff. I'm going to have some pretty good videos in the future about that. I used to master it. These days, if you're gonna, you know, if you're gonna take and market your website and advertise on Facebook and stuff, they say it's not important, but I believe it's still important to do as much as SEO as possible. Okay, because you want organic traffic as well to anything you create, which means, you know, basically people just searching for it and it comes up. Okay, so this is Ray, the old DOS geek, Rayware Computers, since 1996. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com, put your best email in this box below, send it over to me, and I will send you oodles upon oodles of stuff that can help you get your stuff going. And I'm going to have to ask you to like and subscribe, because that's what they tell me to do. Take care.